Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, the BricsCAD sales and support point for India. In this BricsCAD video, I am going to show you how you can change the precision of dimensions with a right-click context menu. Now in BricsCAD, when you click on a dimension and right-click, you don't get this option by default, change precision. This is something AutoCAD users are very familiar with because in AutoCAD it is there by default. So what we have done is we have added this feature in our BricsCAD Plus menu, which is our migration assistance tool for AutoCAD users to move to BricsCAD. So once you have BricsCAD Plus installed, which is under CADPower, when you select a dimension and right click, you can get the change precision option here. So if I click on change precision, and you can see that currently these dimensions have a precision of 4. So I'm going to change it to 1. So the dimensions automatically change their precision to the specified value. Now this is something many users have asked us in India, and I thought I will make this video to show you how you can easily change precisions. Of course, there are other ways to do it, like clicking on the dimension, right click, properties. You can come to the precision option, which is here, and change the precision to whatever you want. But having it attached to the right click menu makes it that much more easier. So this is one among several right click customizations that are possible when you install CADPower and BricsCAD Plus. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any questions.